Hi, Dr. Al.
Hi.
I was going to go over some questions with you on what is a normal cleaning and what some people say is a deep cleaning.
So deep cleaning, honestly, is not the wording that I agree with, but it is a very common way of saying it because deep cleaning is not just an extensive regular cleaning. The deep cleaning is really gum therapy, which is something you need when you have gum disease. Um, it's interesting because I've had patients say, well, I know you say I need the regular cleaning, but can I get the deep cleaning? And it's really not the way it works. It's really what do you need for your health. It's not like a car wash where you can get the upgraded, package with a wax and something else. It's really the regular cleaning is to prevent you from needing or having gum disease. A deep cleaning is what you need. Another name for it, or a good way to think about it, is gum therapy to treat a gum and bone infection that you have. And the way that works and what happens is as the gum disease happens, there's toxins and chemicals that kind of get deposited under your gums. And what starts happening is the bone around the roots of your teeth starts shrinking. A good analogy is having a tree in your backyard and you're digging out dirt from around the base or the root, a little bit at a time. Eventually what happens, even though the tree is solid, you've lost so much, supports from the foundation that the whole tree kind of loosens up and falls over. The idea is we catch your teeth before they get to that stage to prevent you from losing teeth because the foundation is gone now. And that's what really a deep cleaning means and what it treats. So people who need deep cleanings are not really eligible for regular cleaning, and the other way around is true as well. If what you need is a regular cleaning, then you're not really eligible to get the deep cleaning. I hope this helps, and if you guys have any questions, please give us a call. Thank you.